Dogecoin, XRP sink. 7% as Trump tariffs threats. Dent markets. Bitcoin options. Expiry looms. Markets have been heavy since Thursday as President Donald Trump warned of deeper tariffs on Canada and the European Union in case the two collude and policies impact U.S. economic activity. What to know? Major cryptocurrencies, including Dogecoin, Ether, and XRP, experienced a drop of over 5% in early Asian trading hours, while Toncoin saw a 5% rise. Over $12.2 billion worth of Bitcoin options are set to expire, with market sentiment potentially influenced by the upcoming release of the U.S. Personal Consumption Expenditure (PCE) figures. The global market's sensitivity to major economies' monetary policies and the ongoing trade war could lead to a reduction in capital allocation to Bitcoin as an economic instability hedge. Dogecoin, DOGE, Ether, ETH, and XRP sank more than 5% in early Asian hours as traders took profits on a relief rally earlier in the week, with eyes on the U.S. Personal Consumption Expenditure (PCE) figures scheduled for release later Friday. Crypto majors tracked by the broad-based CoinDesk 20, CD20, showed a 4.5% slide on average, led by Doge at 7%. Toncoin's Ton was the only token in the top 20 by market capitalization in the green, with a 5% rise in the past 24 hours. Gold surged to fresh highs Friday with a jump above $3,109 in Asian morning hours, continuing a stellar rise since early March. The MSCI World Index had its longest losing streak in a month, per Bloomberg, while a regional gauge of Asian equities was poised for its biggest drop since February. 28. Over $12.2 billion worth of Bitcoin BTC options will expire, with max pain at $85,000 later Friday. Spot is trading sideways, and OI continues to bleed lower, signaling a broad lack of near-term optimism in the market, traders at Singapore-based QCP Capital said in a Telegram broadcast. With the PCE index data due tomorrow, we believe any short-term upside remains capped as markets wait for clarity from Trump's next move in this escalating trade war. The PCE index captures inflation or deflation across a wide range of consumer expenses and reflects changes in consumer behavior. Released monthly, the PCE is said to influence Fed interest rate decisions. High PCE readings signal rising inflation, potentially prompting rate hikes to cool the economy, which can reduce risk appetite and pressure Bitcoin prices downward as investors favor safer assets. Conversely, low PCE data suggests tame inflation, possibly leading to